Good morning. I'm Ernesto De La Garza, Director of Public Works. Today, as we enter the 54th working day of the second phase, weather conditions held contractors to 3 working days last week. However, Southern Road and Bridge said they do not expect it to delay the project's finish date. Southern Road and Bridge completed the cambers on all the piles on Monday and began removing the forms yesterday. Contractors continue to prepare for the installation of guardrails and surface work on the bridge, which are scheduled to begin tomorrow. As you may recall, the second phase is expected to last 70 working days, weather and tides permitting. To ensure we maintain a constant level of communication, we will continue providing continuous updates throughout the project. Daily updates can be found on the city's website. As previously stated, we understand the importance of this bridge to the community, and we are diligently working on repairs to get this bridge back open quickly and safely. Thank you.